In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email graphics in Klaviyo. By the end, you will know exactly where to go to build a clean, reusable email design, how to add the main visual elements, and how to preview it so it looks good on mobile. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Klaviyo and click Content. From there, select Templates. This area is where you create and store designs that you can reuse later in campaigns and flows, so it is a great place to build your email graphics once and keep them organized. Next, go to the top right and click Create. This opens your creation options. Choose Email, then click Create again to confirm. As soon as you do this, Klaviyo will open the latest drag-and-drop editor. This is the main workspace where you will build your email layout visually without needing any code. Now focus on the sidebar tools. You will use the sidebar to drag elements onto the canvas, which is the main area in the middle of your screen. Start by dragging an image block into place when you want to add a logo, banner, product image, or any other graphic. Then drag a text block when you need headings, short descriptions, or supporting copy that sits alongside your images. If you want a clickable call to action, drag a button block onto the canvas and place it where it fits naturally in your design. As you arrange these pieces, keep spacing and alignment consistent so your email feels balanced and easy to scan. Once your layout is in place, go to the top right and click Preview and Test. This is where you can check how your email will appear, including the mobile view. Pay close attention to image sizing, text readability, and how buttons stack on smaller screens, since many subscribers will open emails on their phones. When you are happy with the result, click Done, then choose Exit. Your template will automatically save in the Templates section, ready for you to use anytime you build an email. That covers everything you need to know.